Rimden Energy Co., Ltd. is an enterprise integrating the research and development, production, sales, and service of solar energy storage, lithium battery systems. With many years of experience and a professional technical team, the company's products have a complete manufacturing system and supply chain system. The main products are wall-mounted lithium batteries, chassis type, lithium batteries, stacked lithium batteries, vertical lithium batteries, high-voltage lithium batteries, small industrial and commercial energy storage systems, and BMS products. The company's R&D team brings together a group of senior professional technicians with years of in-depth experience in the lithium battery and energy storage industry, covering material research, structural design, electronic control development, software programming, and system integration. The team adheres to continuous technological iteration and product optimization. It has multiple appearance and BMS R&D design patents, and its products have passed CE, UN38, 3, MIS-DS, TÜV, UL, and other certifications. Focusing on improving product energy density, safety performance, and service life, and constantly launching high-value-added energy storage products that adapt to market trends. Customer service commitment. Rimden Energy is committed to providing customers with full process, real-time, and efficient pre-sales consultation, in-sales technical support, and after-sales maintenance services. The professional service team provides customized solution design, technical guidance, installation training, and rapid after-sales response for customers worldwide, solving all kinds of problems in product application and operation. With reliable product quality, advanced technology strength, and thoughtful service system. The company has established long-term stable cooperative relations with customers at home and abroad, and is committed to becoming a trusted global partner in the field of solar energy storage lithium battery systems.